What's going on, YouTube? So today I actually just got done, but I'm just recording the intro now. I just got done one-step correcting 2004 Toyota Rav4. So that's 2003 when it was manufactured. Car is about 17 years old. It had never been paint corrected before. It had been washed and everything, but it was in pretty rough condition. So I went ahead and did a one-step correction, put Rain-X on the windows, tire shine, etc. Recorded most of it, not the entire process because it literally took all day, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I did, and let me know what you think. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment below. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the car. 2004 Toyota Rav4. Hasn't been properly cleaned, I'm sure, since it was first rolled off the dealership lot. Really dirty right now. Paint's all scratched up, not very reflective. So we're gonna wash, decontaminate, and paint correct this whole thing with a one-step correction. Not looking for perfection, just trying to make it look nice and seal it up with some turtle wax seal and shine. Also gonna clean this wheel. Picked this up at Ross, Eagle One, all wheel and tire, in the aerosol. Usually can't find it in the aerosol, so I thought that was cool. Just watch how dirty this tire and everything is. You can already see how dirty the wheel is. Watch how dirty the tire is. Here. Now already you can see it's all turning brown. It's pretty disgusting, so I'm gonna hit it with this wheel brush, and we're gonna get it nice and clean. This is a reasonably soft wheel brush. The bristles aren't stiff to scratch anything. Don't use it on paint, obviously, but it'll get your wheels clean without causing too much damage. I'm not going to bother cleaning the barrels out because, like I said, this car's not worth that level of clean because it's going to get dirty pretty quick. Probably today. That's pretty gross. Give it a rinse. Yeah, that runoff water. Pretty disgusting. Now it's nice and clean. So again, that's a Eagle One, all wheel and tire, in the aerosol can. So to wash, we're going to use Purple Power Vehicle and Boat alkaline soap, get it nice and clean. 2-bucket method. I'm also going to foam it and get that all set up with the foam can. Let's go ahead and get started on this. Alright, so let's go ahead and foam it up. out the hood. We're going to do a 50-50, see how that does. I'll show part of it on video, then I'll take the rest of it on, I'll show you the 50-50 after. So what we got is 3D1 and a Buff and Shine Uro-Fiber 50-50 pad with a Shine Master Maxshine M8S polisher. Pad's already conditioned, so I'm going to go ahead and add a few drops and get started. I'll go ahead and wipe it off and I'll see the results. Go ahead and remove the tape. Hold on, pause this for a second just so I can turn the light on. And so you can see the line from the tape right here. This is where we just one-stepped it with 3D1. This is the other side. So I'd say that's pretty good. One step is going to do it for this, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the rest of the car, and I'll show the final results. So here is a really clouded headlight. I just polished this one. It looks a lot better. I'm not going to sand them or anything. Again, I'm not trying to get this car perfect because, I mean, you see there's all kinds of defects, but going to make it look a lot better. So we're going to polish this headlight and see how it looks. So we got half the light taped off. I'm going to be using a drill with the little polishing attachment on the end of it for plastic and headlights mainly. And Meguiar's Plastics works for any kind of plastic, vacuums too for any of my viewers of my vacuum videos. So really, you don't need a lot. I just put a few drops on here. I already shook this up, but if you just got the bottle, don't forget to shake it up. There's already some worked in there. So I'm going to do this lower half so I can do a 50-50 shot for you guys, and you'll see the difference. This stuff slings everywhere, so just be aware of that. Again, not perfect, but I'm not trying to make this car perfect, just more presentable. So go ahead and wipe off the excess. And pull the tape off. And you can see for yourself. Don't use bug spray, don't use toothpaste. This polish is like less than $10, but look at that. That took, what, 10, 15, 20 seconds? Significant difference. Just going to do a before and after shot here. So you can see, just looking directly at the light, how bad this paint is. Again, this is 16, 17 years. This is a 2004, so it was manufactured likely in 2003. And this paint, just in bad shape. There's chips all over the place. Those chips are going to be there, so I'm going to one-step this panel as well, and I'll show you an after shot. And just look at the difference in one pass with a Uro-Fiber 50/50 and 3D1. Now of course, it's not perfect. It's not going to be perfect. I'm not trying to get it perfect. I'm just giving this a once-over. It really brought out the metal flakes and all that. Again, this is just a paint enhancement. It's not a full correction. As you can see, it's pretty bad right here. I mean, still a significant difference from what it was before. I don't intend on spending a whole lot of time on here. I'm just bringing back the shine so you can see. But it just, I mean, it just looks amazing. We'll go over to this door I haven't done yet, and yeah, see there? See here? Terrible. Better. So my girlfriend will be happy with it. She probably won't even notice. I mean, I can clearly see all the swirls that are still in here, but she's not going to notice it, and she won't care. She'll just be happy that it's nice and shiny again. Alright, here is the finished product. It's much glossier. Sealed it up with some turtle wax seal and shine. You can see reflections. Got the wheels clean, tires dressed. So rain X on the windows as well, so she can see when it rains. Polished the lights up. So overall, I think she'll be pretty satisfied. She'll be home soon, so we'll see what she thinks when she gets here. That's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See what else we got in store for the rest of the summer and spring. Have a good one. Oh, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you.